Hey guys, welcome back to VL InfoTech. Today is day 12 of our W3 School Python series. In previous videos, we have seen Python introduction, Python installation, syntax, comments, variables, data types, numbers, concepts. Today in this video, we are going to see the concept of Python casting. So click on that. This is the Python casting concept. In that, we are going to see a concept of variable type. There may be times when we want to specify a type onto a variable. So this can be done using casting. And Python is an object-oriented language. So it uses classes to define data types, including its primitive types. And casting in Python can be done using constructor functions. We have functions like int, float, string, like this. These are the functions. And also we will see the examples. This is the int function. It constructs an integer number from integer literal to a float literal or a string literal. And it comes to float function. Constructs a float number from an integer literal, a float literal, or a string literal. And string function constructs a string from a wide variety of data types, including strings, integer, float. What I am mean to say is, if I give integer int of 1 means it is integer, int of 2.8, so we are giving 2.8 as a float value, but in the function int of 2.8, then it will convert that float value to int value, then y value will be 2. Now int of 3, this is the string because it is given in double quotes. It is a string. We are converting string literal to int literal. Now z value will be 3. You will see this example practically. So click on try it yourself. Now click on run. Here we are taking x value as integer and 2.8 is the float and 3 is the string, and we are printing x, y, z. So we are getting x equal to 1, y equal to 2, z equal to 3. Here what we have done is we converted integer, float, string values to integer type. So we got all values in the integer format. Now we will convert integer, float, string, all the values to float. We will see this example. Now click on try it yourself. Now click on run. Here we have taken integer 1, 2.8 is a float value, 3 is the string, and 4.2 is the also string because it is given inside double quotes. So it is a string. Now print x, print y, print z, print w. Now we got all values in the float because we used float function, float of 1, float of 2.8, float of 3, float of 4.2. So we got all float values. To convert any data type to float, we have to use float function. Now we will see how to convert any data type to string. We will see practically. Now click on try it yourself. Now click on run. Here we have taken S1. This is the string. 2 integer. 3.0. This is float. Now we are converting all any data types to string by using str function. Here you can see S1, 2, 3.0. All these are strings. If you want to know the type of x and y and z, use print type of x, print type of y, print type of z. Yeah. Now click on run. See, here X type, Y type, and Z type all are strings. str, str, str. In this way, we can convert any data type to string. Yeah, we are done. This is the concept of casting. In casting, we have three functions: int, float, and string. To convert any data type value to string, int, float, we have to use these functions. This concept is called casting. I hope everyone clear with this concept. If you have any questions, please comment down below. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and also click on the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. In tomorrow's video, we will see the concept of Python strings, and after that we will see slicing strings, modify strings, concatenate, format, escape, string methods, string exercises. We will see all these concepts: sets, tuples, list, operations, inheritance, file handling, modules, numpy. We will see all this one by one. So if you want this W3 schools sessions practically examples, so please subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep coding, keep learning.